Your storage is full on Gmail. Fix Google 15 GB out of storage forever. Now, if you want to fix if your Google storage is full, how does Google storage become full? Now, Google has many of the services, and all the services are backed up to Google Drive, which only has 15 gigabytes by default. For example, Google Contacts, Google Photos. So in my guess, Google Photos will probably be the one that has occupied the most storage. So as much as you can, if you do not need those photos, you can try to delete them. And even some files on Google Drive, they also occupy space if you've added them to Google Drive. So an easier way I would recommend you to do is simply open your browser and go to drive.google.com. When you go to drive.google.com, you'll find your Google account here. Tap the three lines icon there and go to this storage option that says 10% of 15 GB use or anything like that. And under this page, you'll find everything that you have, right? So you'll see what kind of services is occupying more space. In your case, it could be Gmail or Google Photos. So you simply have to clear them out. Now, if it's really important to you and you cannot clear them out, all those 15 gigabytes are useful, then the only option you have is to get more storage by purchasing their subscription-based storage plan. But if not, you can tap on the clean up space button, and here you can clean up suggested items like emails, large drive files, spams, or even Google Photos. So you can tap on Google Photos, and it could be that Google Photos is occupying the most space, so you simply have to clear them out and free up the storage. I hope the video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.